He's spooked by the leader. God, I wish my head came in. Oh, he's looking at it. There he goes. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, there he is. Oh yeah. Oh. Sight fish this guy right out. Oh. Look at this chunk. Oh man. Oh. That was the most amazing thing. Ah, look at that guy. He's huge. Oh my God. All right, camera's gonna die quickly, but look at this guy. He was just hanging out down here. He is a monster. A monster. Oh man, let's get a measurement on him. He is a skinny mini, but yeah, he's past the 19, 20 inches for sure. Okay, let's get a weight on him before the camera dies. What we got? 443. Yeah. This bucket-headed beast of a bass that was literally just hanging around down here looking at my kayak. And I didn't, there he goes. And he's gonna go right over here. Man, that was awesome. There, you can see him. You see him? He's just swimming around like that. Man, that was cool. That was worth it.